Are you looking for a solution that lets business users manage their documents in Microsoft 365, that's SharePoint Online or Teams? Business users are much more likely to adopt and be productive with a solution that lets them arrange their documents into folders, for example, a folder corresponding to each type of document. But as IT specialists know, one of the strengths of SharePoint Online is how it can record metadata for the saved documents, and that metadata makes searching and finding documents much more efficient than simply relying on the text content of the documents. What you need is folders that automatically have metadata. So for example, if a user stores a document into a folder called contract, then a metadata column, for example, document type, is automatically set to contract. That way you have the best of both worlds, the folders that business users like and the metadata that they need. You could do this by using folder level default values, which is a standard SharePoint feature. But this requires extra setup effort and it can impact on your performance. Let's take a look at a much better way, which is called the MacroView Map Folder Name to Field feature. We're in Microsoft Outlook. MacroView DMF has been installed, which is why we're seeing this MacroView pane on the right of our mail window. The browse mode automatically discovers and displays all the areas in the Microsoft 365 tenant for which the current user has permission, including these document sets within a document library called 2020. Let's drag this PDF attachment to the contracts folder. When we do that, the name of the folder is automatically displayed as the default value of document type. Let's cancel that save and drag and drop to the drawings folder. Same idea, the name of the folder automatically displayed as a default value of document type. If you were to create a brand new folder called invoice, and now we drag to our new invoice folder, and we see that the name of that folder is automatically captured as well. There is no need to set up additional attributes of a new folder. Map Folder Name to Field can also set multiple levels of metadata. For example, when we drag to one of these subfolders, the name of the subfolder is displayed as well as the name of the upper level folder. There is no limit on the number of levels that can be set automatically in this fashion. And those levels can include a document set within a document library as well as folders within that document set. Well, the better way to let business users have the folders they like while at the same time capturing the metadata that they need is called Map Folder Name to Field. It's an extension available for MacroView DMF. The folder name that you drop in is automatically recorded as the value of a nominated metadata column. For example, document type is automatically set to contract when you drop into the contracts folder. You can record all types of metadata automatically by using this mechanism. And you can also set metadata values for multiple metadata columns in a single save. For example, the subfolder name as well as the parent folder name. Use these details for more information about Map Folder Name to Field and for MacroView solutions generally for generating and managing documents and emails with Microsoft 365, SharePoint, and Teams.